Good morning, Jai Swaminarayan to all of you. I, Shakuntala Tigga and Surbhi ma'am, we both are here to show you how to make a eco-friendly Ganpati. So, first of all, I would like to give an introduction about that this festival, as the pandemic is going on, all are celebrating the festivals at their home only. So, we are also going to celebrate this festival, Ganesh Chaturthi, which is going to held tomorrow. So, we are going to prepare we are going to prepare Ganpati idol over here, and it will be an eco-friendly. Okay, first of all, nowadays we have seen water pollution has become a major issue in our India and all over the world we can see. So, most of the water pollution is seen when the idols are immersed in the seas or rivers. So, the most of the idols were made earlier. The idols were made with plaster of Paris and all. So, due to that, the water animals were getting infected. The fishes were killed. All the water animals were killed. So, here to come out of this problem, we are making an idol of Ganpati and eco-friendly. So here we are having a dough of it is a wheat dough, and we have mixed some color in it, so it is looking an orange. You can also make at home this as you all have prepared. So here we will start making an eco-friendly Ganpati. So we'll start. We'll make three big balls, three big balls. Then here small balls are there. As small balls are here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Two balls are here for legs, two balls are here for hands, two are for here, one the trunk of Ganpati, and this is the uh, this janoi, we can say here the janoi is here, and this is the, we can see the mugut we will prepare from it, and this is mushak, we will prepare mushak from this. So here Subi ma'am is going to start. First of all, take a big dough, make it roll and press it nicely, and flatten this dough in the shape of a thali, or you can make it properly. Yes, press it like this so that it will look like a chapati, you can say. Okay, so it is made. Now take another dough, again make it round, keep it on it. Yes, like this. Fix it properly so that it is to be fixed here. Yes, take another small dough, make it round, round it, roll it in your hand. Yes, you can roll it in your hand. Yes, make it like like this. You can make it a small or a thick strip, you can say. Fix it near the dough like this. It will make its hand. Okay. Now take another ball, make it round. Again, make a strip of it. Again, the same procedure is there. Yes, again fix it to the other side so that it is made another hand of Ganpati. Yes, again fix it like this. Yes, now you can see it is made like this. Okay. Now again take another dough, roll it, make it round. Yes. Now fix it on the dough like this. This is what the shape of Ganpati is, somehow it is made. Okay, now we will give it a finishing. Yes. Now take another small dough. Again, make it like a strip. Yes. Now again you have to fix. Yes. Near its head you can fix it like this. Yes. You can see it like. Yes. You can see one hand is fixed. Again, roll, make a round of it. Again, make the strip. Yes. Now, again fix it to the another side. Fix it to the another side of the head. Yes. Yes. Now, you can see. Now see this. The hand will be like this in the shape of like one hand like this. Right hand will be for this, and the other hand will be like this. Means that one hand will be for laddu and one hand for the blessings. Okay. Now again take one another small dough, make it round and press it like a peda. You can say yes. Now keep it on the head. Okay, it is for the crown. You can say it is made for crown. Now again take another for the ear, Ganpati's ear. You can take small dough and make it ear shape, and you have to fix it near the head. As we know that Ganpati's ears are very big, so we have to make it big. Yes. You have to fix it properly so that it cannot come out. Yes. Now you can see the exact shape. See the somehow shape has made. Yes. Now we are making the trunk of Ganpati, means ki the nose. So again, make a strip. Make a strip of it. Yes. For big nose, you have to make a strip and fix it on the surface. Means ki on front of the face, and you can give the shape L shape. If it is not sticked, you can use water also to stick it. Yes. Now again I'm showing you how the shape is. See like this. Exact Ganpati is made. Now again, as we know that Ganpati wears a one janoi, one thread like. So here again we are making that thread only, that janoi we can say. Uh, Make a thin strip so that it looks like janoi, and fix it from here right to left. Yes. Again we are making. I'm showing you how the Janoi is fixed. You can see. Yes. Now this is the crown. Now we are making. Now we are making the crown. Final crown. It is. Yes. It is 3-layered crown. You can say 2 flat dough and 1 triangle shape. You can take it. Yes. Now we are near Ganpati. Mushak Raja is there. Okay, so we are now preparing Mushak. Yes, take a small dough, make it round. Yes. Now roll it. Yes. Now give the shape in a shape of a mouse. Yes. Now keep it aside. Now small thin tail is to be given shape like this. You can make it like this. Again, roll it for its leg. Yes. Our Mushak Raja is ready. Yes. Now we will make. Now we will fix the eyes. Now we will fix the eyes of it. 2 eyes of Ganpati. So for eyes we will take black pepper. For eyes we will take black peppers. 2 black peppers needed for eyes. So we are fixing the eyes. Yes. Yes. Now it is looking like exact Ganpati. Now 2 eyes for Mushak Raja also. We will fix 2 eyes to Mushak Raja also. Yes. Now you can see the Ganpati is ready. But here Ganpati, we will fix one small laddu also in his hand. Yes. Now we will prepare the base in which Ganpati will sit on it. So make it a round ball. Yes. Now make a flatten the dough like this. Press it. Yes. Now we are keeping the Ganpati on it. Yes. Now our Ganpati has taken his seat. He is sitting, and our Mushak Raja is also ready. Now we have prepared modak, a dish full of modak. Yes, a dish full of modak with Mushak Raja. Our Ganpati is ready. Bolo Ganpati Bappa Moria. Now we will decorate our dish with the beautiful flowers. Yes, we can take so many flowers so that our dish will be decorated. Here our Subi madam is decorating the dish with beautiful flowers. We are having hibiscus flowers, grasses. Grass is also very important. So here Ganpati is ready, and we will be celebrating our Ganesh Chaturthi. Uh, so I hope you all will make this beautiful Ganpati at home and have and will not pollute our environment or our ecosystem. So here prasad is also given. Now we will do aarti of our Ganpati ji. Ganpati Bappa Moria. So I hope you all will enjoy this festival by making this Ganpati at home, and will save our ecosystem. Okay, thank you everyone.